Hi guys, what's happening? This is Dave for Beta Ready. I want to do something a little different today. I've been really challenging myself to get better at actually flying, so more stick time. But I think when you fly by yourself a lot, and this might be something that a lot of you identify with, if there's not a lot of people around you especially, it's very difficult to progress like you'll see these other guys on YouTube actually do. So what I thought was I would set up a challenge, and basically I'll use a simulator initially, and I will try and perfect a trick in the simulator, and then what I'll do is I'll post my attempts, so the failures, the successes, some of them anyway. There's only so much you can watch really. Then what I'll do is I'll challenge you guys to do the same thing. From there, once you complete the trick, if you video yourself doing it and then add another trick to that. So the idea is that you start actually building a flow of movements. And then what I'll try and do is I'll pick one of the videos that you guys post. I'll try and do what you did. I'll try and replicate your trick. So for this challenge, you're going to need Velocidrone. You're going to have to load up the subway. You can use whatever quad you like, whatever's working for you. In the trick, I'm asking you to come up off the starting line, rotate, head back up the stairs, the ones nearest to starting platform, do a sort of half pipe movement up and round, and come back down the opposite stairwell. The trick's complete once you actually make it back through the second gate at the bottom of the stairs that you're actually coming down. So whatever happens after that, if you get through and you haven't crashed, trick counts as a pass, as a win basically. And I challenge you to do something else interesting in the subway. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Most of all, don't forget to record you attempting it. Obviously cut them down a little bit, maybe make it easy to watch ideally. And what I'll do following this is I'll watch people's responses. I'll probably give it a while for a few people to have a go. Probably we'll call it sort of 3-4 weeks. And then I will have an attempt at doing the trick that you do, and we'll do it in the same format. I'll add a trick to that movement, and then we'll go from there. So again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.